Okay, hey guys, we're back again with another stone, and this is the Tiger's Eye. Now this is actually the blue Tiger's Eye. My actual Tiger's Eye is doing its job. Let's leave it at that. So in order to do this video, I had to pull out the blue Tiger's Eye. Now Tiger's Eye is a very protective stone. Excuse me. Now how I work with this stone, I normally use it to send stuff back. I use Tiger's Eye for me is really good in getting even, so to speak, with people, or to if they're sending something towards you, to immediately repel it, send it back, and then send it back with a bunch of confusion. So Tiger Eye is a very protective stone. It's said throughout the ages to protect against the evil eye, but I've also, in my personal practice, it protects, and it can also mess the person up that's sending it towards you by sending it back with more confusion back to the person. It's not really much more to talk about that. To me, it works well with the root chakra. It has worked well with my throat chakra, and it has worked excellent with my third eye. The other chakras, not so much. That's how it works with me. Like I said, I mostly use this stone not necessarily for protection, but for when I want to get even, and I'll just leave it at that. Other than that, that's pretty much everything about this stone. And this one is the blue one, which I haven't found there's any, for me, in working with it, I haven't found there's really not much difference in the blue one and the regular Tiger's Eye. The only thing that I will say that I did notice is that when working with this stone, when I'm speaking, my speech is very precise, very clear, very directive, very on point. Like if it was a contract, there'll be no way that person will be able to, once they sign that contract, there'll be no way they would be able to get out that contract, so to speak. That's the only way that I found the difference between the blue Tiger's Eye and the regular Tiger's Eye. But the regular Tiger's Eye still does the same thing. It's just, so if you're doing whatever you do to get even, having this stone around is a good stone to have to help you say your words very clear, very precise, very controlled, very directed, so there's no misinterpretation. As far as the blue one versus the other one, but both of them are excellent to have. And that's pretty much it for this video. Everybody stay blessed. Peace.